Hi everyone, welcome back to on my YouTube channel. I am Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video, and I hope all are you doing great and good in your life. So just try to make yourself better and better. Okay, your you just focus to improve yourself on daily basis, because improvement is not like a piece of fruit or paper. You will do this thing in one day. It's want time and lots of practice. If you are practicing on daily basis, one day you definitely speak good English. Okay, so mm, so without any delay, let's get started. So when you start speaking English, just keep this something in your mind. Like, first thing is, stop hesitating. If you are try to speak something in front of anyone and that time you feel hesitate, like I'm not good in English, how can I speak? Then this is not a good thing. It's make a difficulty in your speaking part. Yes, in starting, just keep this thing in your mind. You have to just speak. Don't focus on what is right or wrong. If you are doing this thing, after a time you will found that your mistake is very less. Okay, if you are doing this thing, then this you found this, and never escape this thing. Like today you are practicing speaking English and next day you are unable to give time for your speaking part, then this is a not good thing. Because if we are not toothing our teeth one day, then next day we found that our teeth is yellow. That's why like this our speaking part is also like this. If you are not give time for our spoken English part, or not giving time for polishing our English, then it not we cannot improve our English. That's why you will have to take time on daily basis, give time on daily basis. So just keep these little things in your mind. If you are keep this thing in your mind, then you are able to speak a good English. Okay, so just try to speak English and practice English. Try to write down English on daily basis and try to learn 2 to 3 vocab on daily basis. And if you are reading newspaper on daily basis, then it is good thing. If you are live in village, then there is no one read newspaper, or there is only Hindi newspaper is available, then just try, nowadays everyone have phone. So keep help of your phone and try to read any article in English, or try to give your take your newspaper which is in English, Hindi, try to translate them in English. This will also help you a lot. Okay, so if you are want to improve yourself, then you can improve yourself very easily at any cost. But like you just have for you just have dedication to improve yourself. If you have dedication, then you can definitely improve yourself. If you have not dedication, then you cannot improve yourself. So this thing is important when we start speaking English, when we learning to speak English. So this thing is very important. I hope this video is helpful for you. Just try to practice English on daily basis and try to speak English daily basis, and try to write English on daily basis. Bye bye everyone. I will meet you in next video.